Hello, how you doing? Today on the menu, we're going to make these pork ribs with marmalade. That sounds odd, but it is fantastic. Once you try this, you're always going to do this. It is absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got these ribs here. As you can see, there's about, I think it's like a kg or something, so like 2.2 pound. I'm going to just trim it up a little bit. I'm going to get a little bit of fat off. This is not too bad actually. And sometimes you'll get what they call silver skin, you know, like a kind of very thin, transparent skin on there that you can take off. I don't think this needs it, so I'm just going to trim it up and then I'm going to cut them. Okay, so just done that. I've got 10 pieces there now. What we're going to do is I'm going to put these into water. I'm going to cook them in water with some aromatics, get some flavour into them and get them on the go. Okay, so you can see the ribs are there. Cut them into nice pieces. Cold water in there. We're going to add bay leaves, and I'm going to add quite a few actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 there. Black peppercorns, a couple of teaspoons, and salt. I mean, you can add whatever you want in there. Sometimes I make these, and I'm going to go sort of Asian with them. I'll add ginger, star anise, cinnamon, things like that. We're going to go nice and simple with these ones. What we're going to do is bring that to the boil. Once it gets to boiling point, we're going to go on a rolling boil for about 7 minutes. So we're just going to let these guys cool down a little bit. And you can see here I've got the marmalade. Sounds odd, but it's really fantastic. Marmalade works so much better than jam, obviously. Jam's very, very sweet. Marmalade's got the tartness to it. But once we get that coated on there, we're going to just chuck them in the oven. Fabulous, really fabulous. So before we get started on this, get your oven on maximum heat. We just want a really nice, hot, preheated oven, because these are not going to take long once they go in. I've got a glove on, I've got a mixing bowl, and I've got lots here of marmalade. 1, 2, 3, so that's probably 4, because that was super heat. 4 or 5 tablespoons of a marmalade of your choice. We're just going to go in now and just rub them around and coat them up as much as we can. Back in a moment. So I gave those a little mix up there, and then I've just laid them into a oven-proof tray. Now I'm using glass. You can use ceramic, you can use metal, as long as it can go into the oven. Now I had a bit of excess in the bowl. I've just put that on the top. So really, really hot oven. Get them in now, 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, and there you go, fresh out of the oven. They are astonishingly beautiful, really. So you've got that stickiness of the marmalade, a little bit of tartness, really, really good. I wouldn't recommend you trying to eat one of those now. They're like lava, volcanic lava. Let them cool down just a little bit, but yeah, beautiful. Okay, and there you have it. Serve them up. They're really delicious, sticky, beautiful, sweet pork ribs. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.